Hello everyone, welcome back. This is my newest piece, a part of my ongoing collection, Pain is the Door to a Mansion. This piece is called Fragments of Grief. And today I'm just going to go over the thought process and ideas behind this piece. This wood is recycled from my last commission piece. Up there on the left, if you guys haven't seen that process video, it'll be in the description. Okay, I did not prep this like I would a normal canvas, like with gesso. I just immediately went in with red paint. I didn't want too much of the wood to get covered up. I wanted it to stick out in certain areas to keep some of that texture alive and not lose any of that emotional value that is captured within this canvas. So now I'm using a compressed charcoal stick. I believe it's a 2B, so it's the lightest, just in case I make any mistakes while drawing out these ideas. I wanted to stay with sharp, thick lines, and every now and then I'll switch the line weight up a little bit. But overall, I wanted these sharp lines that intersect each other. As you can see here, I'm drawing this figure out without much thought of anatomy rather than expression. I had an idea in my head of what I wanted this to look like, and what I wanted to convey, and the emotions that I was feeling that I wanted to express. I try not to get into my head too much about the outcome of these pieces. This is a little bit different coming, it's me stepping out of my comfort zone with structured portraits, and not so much abstract when it comes down to it. This time I was just really just leaning more towards my creative side and letting that flow. And I stumbled across a style that I really love. Of course, this is Cubism, um, and was endeavored by the amazing Picasso. You guys will see towards the end how I implement those colors in the face for Cubism type of look and feel. Here I'm starting on the background. I'm adding raw umber, I believe, yellow, and red to certain parts of the canvas, but I'm still keeping the brown wood alive of the canvas itself. Moving on towards the background, I told myself I didn't want to change this background up after I settled on that color, because it just already started to feel complete. It already started to come forward, and the only thing that was missing was the face, in which I'm working on now. As artists, we do tend to want to push further when it comes down to certain elements in our art, but then we can get to the point of something being overworked. And sometimes when things are getting overworked, it's hard to take those elements out. It's harder to erase. Sometimes you have to just accept what you made and move on to the next element of your project. Later on down the line, I do add some vignette to it to bring the character out more, but overall, this background is finished. Moving towards the face, I had a face in mind. I did draw up a couple of faces in my notebook, my sketchbook, of faces that shown sadness, that embodied melancholy, that had that type of expression of sentimental value to it, and that's what I want to express. I moved on to the clothes or the body of the this figure, and I didn't know what I wanted to use in the beginning, because I knew I wanted to go towards a mixed media approach and add things, but I didn't know what, and I was more leaning towards newspaper, then decided on magazine paper. These are cut up, shredded up magazine paper, um, with different values ranging from dark blue to light blue, and I decided to use that for the shirt. So it was a tedious process, and it took about 3 to 4 days to completely finish. And this was a eye opener. It comes down to my work. A lot of my pieces I finish within a day, or 2 days max. It was an eye-opener in terms of patience and really sitting back and accepting the work that you're doing over time. You know, not everything needs to be finished in a day, and even down to my oil paintings, my portraits, I do alla prima. I get it done within a couple hours, and that's it. This piece definitely slowed me down, in which I love. Decided to add a little background to this by using stars, a moon. I thought it would fit nicely and add some context to the emotions that I wanted to convey. This is the finished piece. Of course, this is a 6-minute video for a piece of artwork that took almost 6 days. So keep that in mind. This was a very beautiful process. I loved every second of it. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.